Now on your left, you'll see the Taj Mahal. The one here at Legoland is made out of 143,000 Lego pieces. As we sail away, we are now making our way towards Paris, France, with the Eiffel Tower. The one here at Legoland stands at 17 feet and is made out of 117,000 Lego pieces. And now we are going back to the United States, to South Dakota with our Mount Rushmore. Here in Mount Rushmore, we have the 4 presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. But can you guys spot the other 2 hidden presidents? If you guys look at the very top, you'll see the Bushes.
In that job, we have company. What's the matter, George?
No, it's Pawan Chakri. Pawan Chakri. Not out of everything made of a lake. You can make one see.
And now we are going to Miniland, USA, where we have New York, San Francisco, the Las Vegas, and other few cities within. Here you'll see the Statue of Liberty. She stands at 6 feet tall and is made out of 122,000 Lego pieces. New York alone is made out of 8 million Lego bricks. San Diego is made out of 5 million. But the grand total for Miniland is 65 million Lego pieces.